How's it going? Um, Coming here showing you exactly what I've been talking about, the short uh, that I saw coming for Ethereum. Um, this here is the daily chart over the past year. So you can see, I'm just going to set up some resistance lines where you can kind of see horizontally. So, the peak here. I don't think this here is going to be a resistance right here. Because if you see that line, kind of coincides right across there. You're gonna see a major one right here. Let's see. You're gonna see another one like these valleys right there. Pow 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 pow. Um, see one down here, and we'll put another one in. I think right about there is probably good. You could probably throw another one in here, but I'm gonna save that one for now because we don't need it. So if you look at the long, again, when in doubt, zoom out. It's a saying in trading. You can see the overall direction much better. Oops, delete that one. Much better when you zoom out. So this is zoomed out, like I said, to the daily. This is July over here, and last year, June, July, May, June, July last year, and it comes all the way over to May, June right here this year. So, and you just take, to get kind of general things that are going on. Like, do. So, got that. So, I'm going to zoom in a little closer. So, got this here going on, this channel. And kind of go it up through here. It does have a momentary break where it breaks out the channel. So that's basically the channel it's moving up in. So this is on the daily characteristics. And the big thing that's real important on the daily, if you look here, we're getting closer in right here, the past few months. I'm going to stretch this out a little bit, give you a better view. This is April, back when it hit the high this year in April so far. It's back there. So we're going to take some trend lines and we're going to put them in. Now, that there. So if you can see kind of now, if it kind of broke out here, so that might have canceled this, and it's kind of back in a trend. But we have a bottom, top. You can make this a triangle. See, look. We could either put it like that, and you got a triangle, or you can even slope it like that and make the triangle go out. But I generally do a line down. That's how it's done. So let me get rid of that. So we got a triangle there, broke up, but it's having trouble because if you see, when you zoom in, you see this localized daily resistance right here. It did bust ahead, got underneath, hit it, rejected, got up ahead, sucked back down. It's hitting it again. I think, because if you take that and you take this here, little trend line starting right along, it was starting right along here, that this could be the breakdown to both below that and propel us down past this support at 1790-ish. So I'm really looking for this to crash down through here and come down to here. I think you look at these gains, this past gain, they're not really, they're done on low volume because let me move this out the way. There we go. You see the volume. See if we scan out and we look at moves like, okay, back here, there's a lot of volume. That was a turnaround move. So you see it doing the turnaround move, the volume. Bam. So what you got going here with no volume is you can't really trust these moves that are going on. The last volume was big, it's setting up a downward trend because this here should have broken down. But you got the news of the debt ceiling being raised and all that good stuff, so that boosted it up. So that's what's going on there. So we're gonna bust down from the daily down to the 4-hour candles. So let me scoot this in, pull that down, scoot it in a little bit more. So here it becomes a little more apparent how you have that channel going down. I think you got the breakout. This is making an M pattern on the 4-hour. M patterns tend to be bearish. So, and you see it's already kind of breaking below. You can adjust your line a little bit because you switch time frames. You know, you're going to get some wicks. They were just wicks on the hourly. They'll be candle bars. But pretty much that's going there. And it's breaking down. So, you can see how it's... These aren't major, huge moves, but still. If you get in on a short here in the, the 1880 range, and it drops down to the 17, that's 5%, triple, that's 15%, 10 to 15% gain real quick. So those are what I'm looking at. That's what I'm trying to show is going on. Probably later on I'll make another video like this, making some moves, setting up some bots. I just want to collect some profits on my shorts here, show you how that's done, and we'll take it from there. So hopefully y'all get something out of this. Enjoyed the video. And like I said, this was Ethereum that I just went over real quick. I'll go over anything you want to hear. Just hit me in the comments. I'll show a breakdown of that coin, because I do a combination of fundamentals and technical analysis. I rely more on technical analysis, but sometimes fundamental news is fundamental news, and a crash is going to be a crash. I take more fundamental news into account on downward trends more than upward trends for the most part. So again, hope to see you soon. Leave comments, subscriptions, likes. Looking forward to hearing from you.